Philip, I know you've put a lot of love into this railway, but the good folk of Maddiesville are getting awful lonely over here. They miss all their friends in Phillipsburg. So, do you think we could work together and see if we can find a way to help everyone get from here all the way to over there?
Do you know what, Maddie? You're right. If we take out the bends and we lose the up and over bridge,
Not the bridge.
then not only will we have enough track to take the train to Maddiesville, but we could make a loop. A loop that goes
All the way round and round and never comes to an end.
Exactly.
Let's make it happen.
Okay, first I'll take out some of these bends.
And I'll redirect the straight path towards Maddiesville.
The track doesn't cross over itself anymore, but that doesn't mean we have to lose the bridge. See? Now it's a road bridge instead of a railway bridge.
Good job, Triggs. And now we've got so much track left over, we can join up the two ends. Ta-da!
Now off they go through the Phillipsburg Tunnel.
Choo-choo, coming through.
All the way to Phillipsburg.
Yay, we made it!
Woohoo!
I thought the fun was over, reached the end of the line, but we figured it out.
No one will miss their tea time.
We listened to each other, moved tracks and tried again. And now the train's perfect,
Thanks to help from my good friends.
Round and round and round, never-ending fun. Round and round and round.
Playtime's never done.
working together makes things better.
Round and round and round, never-ending fun. Round and round and round, never-ending fun.
When you listen to me and I listen to you, we learn there's so much we can do.
Thanks to you, we tried something new.
And now the train keeps rolling, rolling through.
Round and round and round, never-ending fun.
Round and round and round. Playtime's never done.
Working together makes things better.
Round and round and round, never-ending fun.
Round and round and round, never-ending fun.
Round and 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 round.
Ah, Maddie, I'm really glad I listened to you. Playing trains was so much more fun when we did it together.
Like I often say, it's amazing what you can do when you really take the time to listen.
Maddie, I'd like you to meet Amanda. She's our Checkmates captain and one of the best players the school has ever had.
Hey, Maddie, cool dog.
Oh, oh.
Hello, Amanda. Cool name.
Amanda, can I leave you to show Maddie the ropes?
Sure, Miss Perkins, I got this.
I'm glad you're here, Amanda. I was feeling a bit unsure.
That desert island feeling? I remember that.
You do?
Sure, I was the new kid in Checkmates once too. But you'll meet the rest of the gang soon. And before long, you'll fit right in.
Hear that, Maddie? Everything's gonna be just fine.
Wanna play?
Sure.
Just let me get my glasses. I can't see a thing without them.
You wear glasses too?
Oh, Maddie, I think we found a keeper.
You're white, so you go first. I'll start the clock.
I found a friend on the desert island. We keep each other company. Together's better on a desert island. Now we don't feel so lost at sea. Wanna stay all day in this new place. So far away, so far away. It's a beautiful day, let's wait. So far away, so far away. Wanna stay all day in this new place.
Rook to Queen 5.
Bishop to King 4.
Knight takes Bishop.
Queen takes knight.
Queen to rook 6 and check. That means I win, Triggs.
Whoa, I didn't see that coming.
And I brought a bag of toys that I don't play with anymore.
Wait a second. That sounds like... It is! It's your old xylophone, Maddie. Are you really going to donate this?
Mum, you asked us to clear out our old things, and now you're trying to talk me out of it?
But this was your first instrument, Maddie. You learned to play your first tune on it. Remember?
I remember how Maddie would play that tune all day long.
That's right. Wow, you really love this xylophone, Maddie.
I wonder if I can remember that first tune I learned.
That's it. It sounds great, Maddie.
I think Cordelia can help it sound even better. So what do you think, Maddie? One last song on the old xylophone?
I learned to love music on this toy. It brought me so much joy. And it sounds like it's still brand new. Am I sure I'm ready to let go? I can't get it back, no, no, no. I'm so confused. What should I do? Should I keep it? I don't know. Let it go. I don't know. What should I do? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh?
That's a lovely song. But Billy wants me to ask Mrs. S if there are any socks for sale.
Sure, there's a sock stand near Maddie.
What do you think of these, Billy? He loves them.
Do you know, isn't it great the way people donate all these things and they bring so much joy to other people? And sheep.
Should I keep it? I don't know. Let it go. I don't know. What should I?
Why did you change your tune, Maddie?
I didn't, Triggs. That's not me playing the xylophone. It's Sally. Aw, Sally's playing her first song.
Well done, Sally. Gorgeous.
I learned to play music on this toy. Now it's bringing other people joy. This little girl is playing a new song. She seems to love this toy just like me. And now I know what it's meant to be. It is time to pass it along. Where, oh, where can Uncle George be? In a city, forest, or the sea.
He's always off exploring somewhere new.
I wish
We could be there too.
Where are we, Triggs?
I don't know, but the sun is hot. Oh, what's that building? I've never seen anything like that before.
And what's that music? I've never heard anything like that before.
You mean this music?
Uncle George!
Hiya, Maddie. Hello, Triggs. Welcome to the ancient city of Chichen Itza in Mexico.
What's that instrument you're playing?
It's a Mayan temple flute, Maddie. Perhaps one day you can come back and play one for yourself.
I love that.
Wow! This is an exciting place to be.
Mexico is filled with ancient history. I love the music.
And the sunshine too. I'm glad I could explore it with you.
Okay, Mum. This Mexican postcard is definitely a keeper.